Alrighty guys, so check this out. We just finished up the Toyota Tacoma. This one got the windows tinted a while back. We tinted the windows on it. It's all good, ready to go with that. This time it came in for a new sound. They were not happy with the original sound system. It sounded really bad. It was like super low. So we went and replaced the two front speakers with some nice kicker speakers. The customer had already replaced these, so we left those alone. We used all 4-gauge power wire. I'll show you guys my wiring, how nice and clean it is. Here we go. Oh, come on now. Hiya! This darn hood is so heavy. So there's our power wire, all zip tied, running across there. There's our fuse holder. We zip tied that thing there so it won't be moving around. We sealed where we ran our power wire. There's no wiring hanging nowhere. It's all nice and clean. So we did add the LC6 to the original stereo. We mounted everything in the back. Adjusted everything. We mounted our amp in here. Perfect location for it. You know, all nice and clean wiring. 4-gauge power wire. We mounted it so it's not moving around. We use the kicker 5-channel. It's all nice and tucked away. Behind the seat, we put a nice little angled 10-inch subwoofer using kicker, the VT. So the good thing is we didn't lose any of the other storage, like the storage underneath there and all that. We didn't do all that crazy 2 amps and all that. So we kept it nice, simple, and clean. Now let's hear it. Keep in mind you could only get a good sound out of this thing using the original stereo.
More music, more variety.
104.3 My FM.
When your legs don't work like they used to before.
Visit Ralphs.com. Credit and no credit is not a problem. Even if you're at...
Stereo sucks. So it sounds pretty good. We got some good bass out of there.
probably hundreds.
No me han llamado. And
Raising celebration.
the public thought.
Elimador swag and a feature on my
Anyways,
Twitch set.
there's no good music on, but everything sounds good. It's good to go. So if you guys are interested in getting your truck's sound system done, make sure to contact us here at D's Garage in the city of Corona. Peace.